He stole my bananas.
No, I did not.
He did, Your Majesty.
All parrots must leave this jungle and never return.
Screech, screech. Cow, cow, cow.
Jungle burns. All the animals are here, but the parrots are gone forever.
Then I will leave this jungle. Squawk! Squawk! They saved their home.
I am truly sore for my actions.
Thank you so much. If you liked the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next adventure.